Good morning, sir. My name is Raju. I am studying in 7th class. Today's my topic is magical nail polish.
Good morning, madam. My name is Sayan Danish. I am from 9th class. Today my project name is Invisible Ink. First you see here.
Good morning, sir. My name is Markanta. I am studying from 8th class. Today my topic is this is caused by microorganism in plants. ఇది వైరస్ అనేది ఒక వర్కింగ్ మోడల్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ నిమ్మకాయలు మనం ఇలా తీసుకోవడం వల్ల మనకి స్టమక్ పెయిన్ వస్తుంది, ఫుడ్ పాయిజన్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. చెరుకుగడ్డలో కూడా ఇలా ఉంటుంది. Good morning, sir. My name is Pratik. I am from 6th class. Today my topic is ATM. ATM full form is automatic teller machine. ATM invented John Zipper Bond. It is a electricity device. It is a self-service bank out. ATM also used to get draw money, check a bank balance or even transfer funds. ATM are able all the time in here. Bank enters the money in ATM. We can